Okay guys, first class done. Walking towards my next. And this is the situation at the Harvard Yard. Ang kapal ng yelo.
Young.
Hi, I'm good. It's wild outside. So this is what it feels like to live through a snowstorm. Now, my classmates made plans to explore the rest of the university, which is probably covered in ice, I think. Grabe. Tingnan niyo yung snow. That looks dangerous. Woo! Oh!
He's good.
Hi! Hello! Eke! Ooch! Hi guys, it's the first day of class and I want to give you an update on the snow situation. So, at the moment, I think it has stopped snowing, but the weather reports say that it should go on until 8 p.m. So I think this is just a brief respite from the blizzard. This is the situation. Ang kapal nung snow dito. Tapos, tinan mo, yung bintana ko nag-yelo talaga. Then, when you look outside, it's really... The snow is really, really thick. Oh! Wow. Ayan. Grabe. So, this is what it feels like to live through a snowstorm. Really, really bad. If you think snow is nice, probably because of novelty, it's not. Anyway, I have to get ready for my first 3 classes of the semester. It is officially the start of the spring semester, but I don't know if I would really call this a spring because it's ICAF outside. They did not suspend the classes in light of the snowstorm. What they did was they switched everything to online mode. So I'm currently attending my class. Look, this is the setup. I'm having lunch, so breakfast burrito and then Coke and then so many other things. I am starting to feel, kind of sad because I think it will only be a matter of time before this ends. I think we're down to our last 4 or 5 months. So many things will happen in between, don't get me wrong. I still have like 3 trips planned for this semester alone, but I think what I'm trying to do now, where I'm at, is I'm trying to just cherish every moment, I'm trying to just live in the now, like be present. Also, I'm doing another TA-ship here at Harvard. I just got hired. Well, not just, but like they just announced me officially as one of the teaching assistants for the course of Ambassador Samantha Power, former Ambassador Samantha Power, who previously was the U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations, and she also headed the USAID, which unfortunately has now been closed. I don't know what the official I don't know what the post-mortem is on that one. It's actually a course that's being team taught by her and her husband, Cass Sunstein, which I am a huge fan of. My friends know this about me. I'm someone who is really like super interested in behavioral economics. As someone who came from that field.
Any other questions? All right, this was just a taste. Let me say a few more things, and then let's stop with this and get you to roll up your sleeves and get into it on a snowy day.
Okay, second class of the day done. I put on a sweater because it's getting chillier. Hi, I'm good. It's wild outside.
Do you want to have like a group chat or just I find emails sometimes cumbersome with?
Yes, please. I think it's easier for coordination. Now it's time for the class that I'm TAing for.
In person. Since some of them did not do that. I know a lot of you have questions about enrollment.
The class that I'm TAing for ended like 30 minutes ago, and now my classmates have made plans to explore the rest of the university, which is probably covered. Everything is covered in ice, I think. I haven't been outside for 2 days, and I'm like, sure, why not? They said they wanted to explore ice. They wanted to do ice sledding. I don't know how we're gonna do that. It should be fun. Let's go. Hi.
Girls are waiting for me.
What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hi.
Hi. Did you bring a bag?
No.
What's that?
Trash. Wait.
Fancy pack.
Let me just run to the thing. So those are Maria and Norzat. Maria is Ukrainian. Well, you know Maria, and then Norzat is Kyrgyz, I think.
And now, this is again. But this is that.
The amount of snow is insane. Look at that car.
Your first time experience with the show?
No, I've lived in the UK around here. And where's Chrisia? She's ready to sled. Are you ready to sled, Maria?
No, I'm too old.
Me too.
Have back pain.
Me too. Can we get stuff from that?
You're the Ukrainian, the expert.
Well, I have proper equipment in the
Okay guys, we're trying to scavenge for a makeshift sled. This one, how about this?
I've never done this. I have no idea. You can try it.
I tried this one.
Oh, this one is good too.
That's very
When you think of Harvard, you think we're serious, but we're not because look at this. We're doing stupid things. Stupid but fun.
Combine a lot of things.
We
Yeah.
have a Harvard insurance.
We have Harvard insurance, that's the most important too. Interesting classes. Oh. Yeah. CPL too. I think we can stop. Okay guys, we've made it to the library. Here's the crew. And then this is what the library looks like. Completely covered in snow. Oh my, that looks dangerous. Those are plastics. Yeah, it's a tray.
I would use that.
What do you think, Maria, Nurzat, Chrisia? Are we gonna try?
I'm gonna hold your camera.
She's game.
Yes, Norzad is game. Okay.
I can go after Nursat.
Since you two are I can volunteer.
Or third.
Okay.
I've never done this.
You will see this in my vlog, okay? You will see this in my vlog. Don't be scared. You can do this. We are so proud of you. Woo!
That was fun.
Come on, Cynthia. Oh!
Good. How did you want to
Grabe. Tingnan niyo yung snow. Our Korean friend wants to go.
Are you ready?
And maybe we'll make youngsters later. Yeah, but he's refusing to go.
Okay, pumanik ako just to see if it's scary, and I think I've come to the conclusion that it is actually really scary. Just look at that. I don't want to break my bones. Aww. Okay, our Korean friend is here. How are you?
I'm bored.
See
that you're rocking
aren't
up
you used to
Olivia?
this in Korea?
Yeah, but you never get used to this kind of cold or some kind of heat.
Okay, Hanul is gonna try
Okay,
sledding.
so we recommend a tray.
Yeah, we
Not
recommend
the.
No.
Okay, you try everything.
Yeah, we've tried everything.
You didn't try.
I tried!
He was the volunteer.
Why don't you go and show her, Young, how it works?
Why don't you go and show her?
I never said I did.
Hanul, do this one. This has more ice. Yay! That was fun, right? Oh, are you okay?
I just thought we were gonna collide.
And the Philippines are very safe people. That's why we don't try things.
You guys do all the crazy things.
What crazy things? Hi. Hello. Hi.
Gonna survive this?
Is he okay? Oh, throw it. Go. Woo. Fetch. Woo. Whoa. Woo. Now what? Oh no. Oh my god. I can't get up. Hurry. Oh, hi doggy. Go, jump. Rasbate. How does it feel? Wet. Hi.
I was thinking, is it the undergraduate student jumping?
Who's that crazy people?
B-A-K Ouch. Okay guys, that's it for this icy adventure. We're going home. I sled. Once.
Very good trip. Very timely.
So we have to go inside for a bit because her fingers are freezing.
And my toes too.
And their toes are... We've resorted to this.
And you didn't do anything else.
Why would Yanis be proud?
Because he always says that's what she said in any opportunity possible.
I don't know if it's a...
Yanis is so naughty. Yanis, if you're watching this, stop being naughty.
It's snowing again.
I know. Enough of the snow.
Enough? Why? So fun. It's so much better and warmer when it's snowing. When you have snow,
Okay, so this was a very spur of the moment thing, but Maria wanted us to hang out at her place, so we're doing that. So I got us some snacks. It's here. That I'm also on a Zoom call.
Submit the OPT I-20 request to HIO. During that
Okay,
time,
change of
is there
plans.
looking and doing work that
We're
is
going to
directly
Nurzat
related
instead.
to the field of study and you wind up not having a job on June 1st when you should. But you still like the loop. And let's say July 27th, the OPT I-20 from HIO. I would recommend submitting them online. The filing fee is less. And it's just kind of easier.
What did you do? What is that?
That is a molded wine, or in Euro we call it glue wine.
Nice.
That's something that we drink when it's around Christmas time, and you
Nice.
have wine with spices, oranges, honey, and a bit of the apple cider.
That's amazing. I'm excited to taste.
Yeah.
Giving me alcohol.
They will send your
From the expert.
in your I-765.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
If you are going to be
I give you like oranges. If you don't like it, I can give you without oranges. I love them. Okay, because I love them too.
Cheers. Cheers. Here's to a good spring semester.
Spring semester in the winter.
In the winter.
very
Good.
Okay, we just finished dinner. Thank you guys. Thank you, Cree. Thank you,
Great
Maria.
sledding.
Thank you, Nurzet, for hosting.
Really? Are you sure?
Hi everyone, Yong here. It's the second day of classes here at Harvard. I have a full day today. I don't even know how that happened. Well, I actually do. So I started applying for courses that are more creative because I'm really a creative at heart and I want to nurture that side of me. By the way, here's the snow situation. It hasn't melted yet. In my balcony, meron pa ring snow. Oh no! I don't know how I can move from here to... So I have to be at the FAS today. I have 2 classes at the FAS and then 1 class at the law school. Yeah, so this semester it's not just HKS for me, it's the law school and FAS. I've applied to like the creative courses. I'm not gonna tell you which ones because it's a secret. I think some parts of my life here need to remain private, and that's, you know, that's okay. I am terrified, but sabi nga nila, diba, if your dreams don't scare you, then they're not big enough. Also, after my classes, I have to go to Matt's campaign planning. He's one of my classmates. He lives here in Massachusetts. He's currently, I think, is he a board member or a counselor? I don't really know. I guess we'll find out together later. And then he's running for the state senate. Matt is one of the nicest people ever, and he's really just so passionate about public service. I actually was thinking to myself, you know, if I ever run for public office back home, I want to be just like him. He came from very humble beginnings. We bonded over that. He's just an overall nice guy. His heart is in the right place, and I'm so happy to help him set up his social media campaign. I just believe in him, and I think you'll see later why is that. Let's go. Come with me. But before that, I need to pack my lunch. I don't want to spend money on food, like more money on food, because number 1, they're not that good. Number 2, I actually, you know this about me already, I like cooking. So I prepared some orange chicken and rice because we're Asian. Okay, here's the situation outside. Still so much snow. Buti na lang I'm wearing my boots kasi I think it's really made for... Oh my god, look at that. That's insane. There's just so much snow. And if I'm being honest, I don't think it's really that cold. I mean, it is cold, but you would expect freezer levels, and it's not that. It is quite slippery though, so I'm very thankful that I have these boots on. Otherwise, I think I would have slipped already. It's fascinating to look at, that's for sure, because look at that. But it's not a nice environment to live in. I'm worried about slipping. I'm walking ever so slowly kasi tignan nyo naman. Talagang frozen yung ground. Otherwise, I would have ran already. Ugh. All the cars are covered in snow over there. Look at that. Paano ba to? Woo! Oh, okay, we're finally here. Okay guys, first class done. Walking towards my next. And this is the situation at the Harvard Yard. Ang kapal ng yelo. Okay, I think we're here. It's the Seaver Hall. Okay, second class just finished. I have another class, but for now I'm scheduled to meet someone for a meeting. I'm trying to find my way. Suddenly, Harvard Yard looks so unfamiliar with all the snow. They haven't melted yet. Oh, the classes were amazing. I'm not gonna tell you what they are. All will be revealed soon, but not now, not yet. But they're amazing. Okay, so this is our third class of the day. I'm at the law school, the Harvard Law School. Hi, so I currently have a class here at the law school, but I stepped out for a bit because I wanted to go to the toilet and, just explore this building. It's my first time here. I've never been here. It's older than, well, at least it feels older than the Kennedy School. I think when you think of Harvard, this is exactly the kind of building that you would imagine. So let's explore this together. Oh, alam mo, lagi ko itong nakikita. This is the legendary Ames courtroom. I think this is where, what even is that? It's not a Jessup, right? Oh, Ames Moot Court. Wow, wow. That's such a nice view. Hi guys, so my class just finished. It's 5:48 and I don't know if you can see, but it's really dark. I am now on my way to Matt's campaign. I'm really excited. It's my first time getting involved in, a campaign that's outside of the Philippines. I'm someone who's really into politics, so I'm so excited for this one. I really want to help him. Again, he's such a great guy. He's an amazing friend. I'm rooting for him. I think I can do that even though I'm not an American. I'm rooting for my friend. So, yeah. And if you're someone who's also interested in politics, please come with me and let's all support Matt. Oh, there's Matt.
A lot of people, right now there's 2 people in the race. We expect there to be more people. I'm gonna have the least money, I'll tell you right now. Or I will at least have less money than a lot of other people running in this race. But volunteer-wise, we've always won our elections on volunteers, on a shared effort. I always campaign on what we call hashtag doors and phones. We've won every election so far using this motto. Knocking doors, making phone calls. This is how you win elections. My name is Matt McLaughlin. I'm a city councilor in Somerville. I'm running for state senate here in Massachusetts. I'm running for 2 reasons. One is the affordability crisis in America is now the #1 issue in America, and I've been fighting that cause for over 30 years, going back decades, trying to make sure people can afford to live in this community. I feel now's the time for my voice to be up there, because I'm the most consistent and reliable voice.
And that's why we'll get him elected.
That's my man. Thank you so much for coming.
Hi guys, just got back to my apartment from Matt's campaign. I'm so sorry to miss his speech. I think I delivered one, but I got to film him making a pitch to my audience. And if anyone's watching, I know people are watching because I can see my audience now is mostly based in the US, which was unexpected because I was primarily doing this for Filipinos, but I won't say no to anyone who's interested in seeing my videos. Anyway, I think Matt is really, well, first of all, there's no such thing as a perfect candidate. I think that's a myth. But I think Matt's heart is in the right place. I think the message of affordability is something that a lot of people can resonate with, especially if they're living here in the US. Prices are so expensive. Prices are so high. The cost of living is just so expensive. I'm someone who's not from the US, but has been living here for the past 6-7 months. And I can feel being squeezed by the prices and the cost of living. And I feel like a lot of people do as well. That's one of Matt's, core messages. And I think that as someone who's from a very humble background, I think he's someone who would fight for people who are being left out and people on the margins. I've had an amazing, an exhausting, but like still an amazing like first 2 days of classes here at Harvard in the spring semester, and I'm looking forward to doing this, more of this. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. I like interacting with you guys, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell, and there will be more videos to come. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye. Today we are going to Mexico. Woo! So it's gonna be my first time in Mexico, so that's a plus. Yeah, I wanna eat their food. Okay, we arrived at the Lucha Libre. This is wild, you guys. Wild in a good way.